It was year 1953.
Don Andres Soriano, welcome to Toledo City.
Mining? Yes, responsible mining.
It will create livelihood and income to the people.
The world needs copper and gold.
Hinulawan means hinaguang bulawan.
Faith, responsibility, and joy.
We are contingent number 3.
Hinulawan Festival of Toledo City.
Ibugwal na ang piko, dali na sugdanta. Tiltila na ang dako nga bato, iniguman palaha. Hakutan na ninyo. Dali na magtrabaho na kita para sa kaugmaon. Dali na magmina na kita kay kini atong bulawan. Magmina, magmina, magmina kita.
I am addressing this to our judges of the ritual showdown. The rules are clear. During the mayor's message, which is equivalent to 1 minute, that also means that all contingents have the same 1 minute ingress. It is unfortunate that by the time the 60 seconds were over, the props and some dancers had not been able to come in. Nisinggit mo balik. It's not as easy as that. Sayon ra para ninyong audience kay gusto mong makakita. But we have a brand new set of judges. They have to understand that there are very technical rules to this competition. Now that our judges will understand this and will therefore put in the necessary deductions for the sake of the audience, unless di mo gusto, kay undangon pa ni, na ay dili gusto kay saba man mo diha? The rules cannot be bent. Wa tay paboran, wa sad tay bintahaan. It applies to all. Now, kung muhilom lang mo diha usa sa taas, kay kung di mo muhilom, undangon tani. I have already said that the performers and the props were not able to come in within the 60-second ingress. Kay nagsinggit man mo balik, moautong I had to let the panel of judges understand kay dili ni ang daan nato nga naandan nga mga judges. They are watching the Pasigarbo for the very first time. It is unfortunate wa tuod ta ma-technical glitch kamo na hinuoy ni singgit og balik. Mao nang naundang na ni. Pues, with the necessary deductions, I ask Toledo City to please put yourselves in the proper places. This is just for the benefit of the audience, but understand that there will have to be the necessary deductions. Kasabot mo? Why mo sinta? Agree mo? Okay. Go, Toledo.
Toledo, dali, tara! Suruyon ka, dali na sa Toledo, dali na sa nagkayusa. O Toledo, magmalambuon ka. Ibugwal na ang piko, dali na sugdanta. Tiltila na ang dako nga bato, iniguman palaha, hakutan na ninyo. Dali na magtrabaho lang kita para sa kaugmaon. Dali na magmina lang kita kay kini atong bulawan. Magmina, magmina, magmina kita. panagon, patron na mong maluluyon, sa katalagman kami panalipdi, sa Ginoo ampo kami, sa Ginoo ampo kami. Sa katalagman, Ginulawan, gasa sa kayasan, Ginulawan, bulong sa kalampusan, Ginulawan, pahandi sa katawan, sa Toledo ang Ginulawan, garbot ang tanan. Ginulawan, bulong sa kalampuan, Ginulawan, gasa sa kaitasan, Ginulawan, bulong sa kalampusan, Ginulawan, pahandi sa katawan, sa Toledo ang Ginulawan, garbot ang tanan. Sa ulan ipasigan mo, dali na mag-Ginulawan.
Pasigarbo sa Sugbo 20